YouTube. So today it's something a little bit different. Today we're moving my project car from my house over to the unit so we can start work on that. Pete's on his way here now with the trailer, so I need to get my car out of the garage and onto the street somehow, but it might not start, so stick around and we'll see what happens. Seems to be a big puddle under there, and now I know the radiator is not in the best condition. Let's see if you can see it. So yeah, this will be getting swapped out for something more Honda related, but there's a lot of rust that we need to look at first. See if she starts, shall we? You know what would help? If I connected the battery. Right, now let's try that again. Now that the battery's connected, we should be able to, in theory. Now I know it's got a dicky fuel pump because I've struggled to get it to start in the past. But fingers crossed. She's going. It's not a healthy engine at all. Pretty sure the head gasket's gone. But she's going, so let's try and get her out. Made it to the unit in one piece. Car's all unstrapped. It's a bit scabby in places, needs a lot of wear. The plan is to get it in the unit, start tearing it apart and see how bad the rust is, because there is some bad rust, especially under here. That's the chassis leg, with a big hole in it. Other side's alright. Looks of it, but yeah. Just need to tear into it and have a look.
Bit of right on down, mate. So, yeah, straight at that.
So it's gonna go in here on these dollies for now. Josh is in the middle of doing his vent for the EG. Here he is. So that's the carpet out. It's not looking too bad. It's definitely been moist in here because every single screw and bolt, every single screw and bolt has corrosion on it. Even the ECU is looking a bit fairy. But the chassis looks all right. This sound deadening under the driver's seat is wet. I can feel it's wet. So water has been getting in here, but it don't look rusty, which is good somehow. These bits are rusty in here, so it's clearly been running in through this door, but it's the same on the other side, to be honest. But yeah, that side's pretty good too. We've seen much worse. Josh had a P11 once and we could see through the floor onto the road. So considering this is sort of solid, that's promising. So it's another day, back down at the unit. Pete's over there somewhere. Can you see him? No, he's hiding. There he is. Just attacking the, well, starting to take bits off the Primera. One sec, I'll turn you around. So as you can see, I've got the bonnet off already. I'm just trying to take this wing off. I've got the arch liner out on this side there. And that's all the shit that fell out of it. Let me move that light out of the way. A lot of stuff. There's a bit there at the bottom which isn't too bad. It's pretty solid, but up here, sort of where the upper arm meets the body, it's just gone straight through there. There's a hole there. So it's pretty crusty. The last 3 bolts that I've undone have snapped. So yeah, I'm just making my way through it. See what else I found. It does appear to have been undersealed, but I think they maybe undersealed it whilst it was damp or during the winter maybe. Because, or just, yeah, or that, or just over the top of the rust, yeah, as Pete says. Which is a bit disappointing, but it is what it is. I'll just keep doing the investigation and see. So that's most of the front end gone off the Primera. Bonnets, bumper, headlights, wings. I've taken the door cards out and I've unbolted the doors. I just need to wait until there's someone else here now to help me lift the doors off. It's not real bad on this side. It's a lot better than the other side is. That bit's not great. It's quite soft, but under the arch there's, let's see if I can show you. That bit up there. But other than that, this side's much better. I had way less snap bolts and stuff. Which is promising, so yeah, it's getting there. I'll just continue to strip bits off it and see if I find any more. The next part of this will be to wire wheel everything down underneath, because it appears that somebody's just sprayed under seal over everything, and either it had moisture behind it and it's rotted since, or they just sprayed it over to cover up the rust. But it could be either. But the guy who owned this before was a car trader, so seems like something that might have been like a quick, you know, fix to get it through MOT. So yeah. Now then, back down at the unit. It's another day. This is where we got up to last time. Took the front end off. Just need to get the doors off now. Now apparently there's a bitch pin, according to Josh, in the check strap on the doors. So that's what I'm going to be trying to get off tonight. Hopefully I get the back doors off too, but we will see. That's one down. Nice. Okay, that's the front doors off. Now time to tackle the rears. So that's both the rear doors off now. These bits have already been repaired, but there could have been a better job. Try and tackle the boot lid now. And then I'll get rid of that seat. So I've got the boot lid off, the rear doors and the front doors. Wasn't too difficult. Pretty crusty. Right, so I think I'm going to call it a night at that. The Primera is stripped down pretty much on the exterior. Just need to start doing the engine bay next. But I'm going to do that another day. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.